Hello everyone. In this video, let's understand the difference between synchronous and asynchronous programming in C# using a simple example. Let's start with synchronous programming. First, I am creating a method called print. Inside it, I am writing console.writeLine start. This will simply print start on the console. Next, I am writing thread.sleep. This tells the program to pass for 3 seconds. During these 3 seconds, the program just waits and cannot move to the next line. Let's see this at the output. Now I am writing console.writeLine in progress. After the wait is over, in progress will be displayed. Next I am again writing thread.sleep. The program passes for another 3 seconds. Finally, I am writing console.writeLine end. This will print end. Now let's run the program. Notice the output. First, start is printed. Then the program waits for 3 seconds. After that, in progress is printed. Again it waits for 3 seconds. Finally, end is printed. The program completes each step one after another. This is called synchronous programming. Now let's look at asynchronous programming. I am creating a method called print async. Notice the async keyword. This tells C# that the method can perform work asynchronously. First, start will be printed. Next, I am creating a task. Think of this as starting an operation that will take 3 seconds. The important thing is that the program does not stop here. It continues to the next line. So in progress is printed immediately. Next, I am creating one more task. This starts another operation that will also take 3 seconds. Again, the program does not stop. It continues to the next line. So end is also printed immediately. Finally, I am writing await task dot when all t1 comma t2. Since we started 2 operations, this line tells the program like wait until both operations are finished before ending the method. Now let's run the program. Notice what happens. Start is printed immediately, in progress is printed immediately, end is also printed immediately. The 2 3-second operations are running in the background at the same time. Instead of doing one operation and then another, both operations are progressing together. This is asynchronous programming. Let's make this even clearer. I am adding one more line at the end, console.writeLine complete. Let's run the program again. Notice the output. Start, in progress and end are printed immediately. Then the program waits for 3 seconds while the background tasks run. Finally, after 3 seconds, complete is printed. So instead of taking 6 seconds total like the synchronous version, this whole asynchronous process finishes in just 3 seconds. This is because both operations are running at the same time in the background. This is asynchronous programming. So, in synchronous programming, tasks are performed one after another. Whereas in asynchronous programming, the application can continue working while other operations are in progress. This is very useful when working with API calls, databases, file operations, or network requests. So, to summarize, synchronous programming means wait for one task to finish before starting the next. Asynchronous programming means start a task and continue doing other work while it is running. I hope this example helped you understand the difference between synchronous and asynchronous programming. Thank you for watching.